Alright, Matt Landis, and giving a first impression review of the Snom PA1. The Snom PA1 is a speaker adapter for a SIP PBX. It is based on the Snom firmware, and my first impression of the unit is very good. I am somewhat of a Snom fan, but this unit once again impresses me. It's a metal unit. Has plenty of options to connect your speakers, whether it's with a regular telephone jack or on the other side, and we'll flip it around just in a moment, or regular PC speakers, or even wire clamps to just do a regular speaker wires. But very easy to set up. The unit does not come with a power adapter. I'm using a Snom power adapter I had from another phone, but it will work on power over Ethernet. So you plug the unit in, press the button.
Your IP address is 192.168.
And the unit will tell you what IP address is. So you can go in and type that in, and you will see a regular Snom firmware. And because this is based on a regular Snom firmware, you can use this PA1 with Office Communication Server or a standard SIP IP PBX. Very easy to set up. Click on Identity 1. Type in your extension, password, and the SIP IP PBX. Click Save, and you're ready to go. So we're just going to do a quick phone call. And the unit really is set up as a normal Snom phone that automatically answers. So I'll just do that. 301.
Please pick up line 1. Please pick up line 1.
Alright. So it works very straightforward, very easy to set up. Works with Office Communication Server and a SIP IP PBX. I'm just going to unplug the Cat 5 cable here so we can flip the unit around, but we'll just take a quick tour of this side. I'm not sure what the I/O is for. I think you can control some external devices there, but this is a regular RJ11 if that's the way you connect to your speakers. We have port 1, which goes to the switch, and as it's noted there, it can do PoE. Also has a pass-through switch. The power cable, if you're not using PoE, we have some lights here. The one will blink if it's on a call. The other one, of course, is telling you if the power's on. And if we momentarily press this button, we hear the IP address spoken through the speakers. And we will flip this on the other side. It is a metal unit once again. And here we have our computer speaker jack and a mic, so you can use it as a full phone if you want to. And then we have our wire clamps if you just have wires for your speaker. And some other jacks, I didn't check what they are for. But the whole unit is very well made. It is metal. Feels like aluminum. It's nice and light. Has mounting brackets built right on. You can see, just use screws to mount that down. And they flex a little bit to make it nice to mount. But overall, I'm impressed. I'm sure it is the first Office Communication Server speaker unit, and also for IP PBX. Very reasonable price. It's below 200 somewhere, but it's lower than any others that I know of at the moment. Alright, Snom PA1.